This is a Peugeot 205 door lock. Here's the key cut. We're going to insert this tension tool into the keyway, just to hold the flap up. I'm going to use this pick, double-sided pick, to open the lock. Insert the pick. Do a bit of a raking and a wiggle. Bit of tension on the tension tool, a little bit of a wiggle. It's gone that way. Here's another Peugeot door lock. Again, I put the tension tool in. This is the key cut for this one. That was the key cut for the other one we did. Insert the tension tool and put the pick in. Again, I'm going to use a double-sided pick again.